Empanada guys with cheese guys at saka with Nutella. Ayan na guys, luto na guys, init pa guys. Ayan, init pa guys. Ayan, pagluluto lang guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ito guys, with Nutella yan guys. Ito empanada with cheese, empanada with cheese guys. Ayan, kay kuhan pang oil. Kuhan pa siya sa guys, luto ng empanada natin guys. Ayan guys. Guys, doon na kugluto yung empanada guys. Saka na yung chocolate Nutella guys. Ayan. Kasi baka maglama sa oil yung Nutella. Hindi madumihan yung empanada guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Ayan. With Nutella guys. Giround ko na lang kay ayan. Then may empanada guys with cheese at saka with Nutella. Thank you for watching.